Students, hi students, how are you? Are you fine? I hope everyone is fine. Be safe at home, okay? Listen students, in previous class, history lesson I started, isn't it? I not started, it is the second class, that continuation it is, okay? So before that I said you to study the question, isn't it? Question answer 3, 4, 5. Have you all learned? Totally 5 question answer you know, isn't it? Isn't it, pa? So remaining 3 questions today's study portion. Okay, so you should study today. So okay, later I will explain this. Okay, so come to the class. Okay, mighty emperor Ashoka. Okay, mighty emperor Ashoka. Ashoka he is a great Mauryan emperor. Okay, he is a great Mauryan emperor. So it was during his period that Buddhism spread to different parts of Asia. Asia is our continent, isn't it? So during Ashoka period, Buddhism is spreading all over Asia. So Buddhism means what? You know, one of the religions, isn't it? Buddhism and Jainism will be there. Buddha followers, isn't it? Buddha is the he is the founder of the Buddhism. Okay, so Ashoka also like a Buddhism. Okay, so in different parts of the places, Ashoka they spread the Buddhist religion. Okay, so during Ashoka period, Kalinga war. So in the maximum, the king ruling there, what happened? The war will be there. They will fight with other king, isn't it? So Kalinga war is there. Kalinga war period, what happened? No, many of the persons are killed and died. They lost the hand, they lost their legs also. Okay, while seeing this, Ashoka is disappointed. Okay, so while seeing this, hereafter I won't conduct any war, like that he decided. So you come to know that much humble person he is. Okay, so he only first build the hospital for animals. Okay, for animals. Okay, for animals he built the hospital also. So I think how much this Ashoka it is. Then during Ashoka period only they lay the roads also. Okay, ma? They lay the roads. Then you know, have you seen the Independence Day? They will hoist the flag, isn't it? Now you are in home, isn't it? August 15, isn't it? Independence Day, August 15, isn't it, ma? Republic Day, January 26, isn't it? Yes, it is correct. January 26. Everyone know that, isn't it? So during this period, during this time they will hoist the flag. Otherwise, every Monday will hoist the flag in the school, isn't it? So now no chance to that, isn't it? We all are in home due to this disease, pandemic disease, isn't it? So anyway, don't worry. Later everything will change, isn't it? So listen. So everyone know our national flag, isn't it? In the middle, what the chakra is there, isn't it? Ashoka chakra is there. 24 spokes will be there. It is in blue color, isn't it? So this chakra also has taken in the Sarnath pillar. Okay, the Sarnath pillar. So like that it is. So we couldn't get the correct information first. Up to 19th century we couldn't get it. But later we are getting many evidences, material evidences provided by William Jones, James Prinsep and Alexander Cunningham. Revealed the greatness of Emperor Ashoka. Okay, they are giving some information about Ashoka. Then based on these accounts, Charles Allen wrote a book titled The Search of the India's Lost Emperor. Okay, one more book also. Here, this Charles has written this, Charles Allen, The Search for the India's Lost Emperor. So they provided the comprehensive account of Ashoka. Many researchers made thereafter brought Ashoka glorious rule to light. These inscriptions were observed on the rocks, Sanchi Stupa and Sarnath pillar and helped to understand the greatness of Ashoka to the world. Okay, no confusion children. Up to 19th century we couldn't get the correct information about Ashoka. But later many of the foreigners and our authors has written, they provided the material evidences and all. Okay, so we come to know Ashoka is he's a great Mauryan emperor. So we come to know why they have given this history, you know. So history means what? The study of past events in chronological order, isn't it? So the study of past. In past, what many incident it happened during Ashoka period is this type of incident. Then remaining ruler period, different type of incident it happened. So we will study this. Okay, that's why it is given to your book. Okay, okay, ma. Sarnath pillar. If you can see this, this is what ma. Sarnath pillar. This is what Sanchi Stupa. Sanchi Stupa. Okay, so now one can understand the importance of historical research. Now we can come to know historical researchers what they will do. They are providing the material evidences, isn't it? So Ashoka lifestyle, story, everything they have written it, isn't it? In the particular book, isn't it? So that is what history, isn't it? So we come to know, okay, in this period Ashoka, he is a Mauryan emperor, isn't it? So we are getting the correct evidences. Okay. Okay, students. So like that it is. Then mother, do you know what proto-history is? One more it is. Proto-history. So Tamilini, that is the period between prehistory and history. So prehistory in previous class I explained, isn't it? Proto-history means what, exactly the period for which records and writing are available but not yet deciphered is called proto-history. Okay, proto-history means it is the written evidences. Okay, in some places they have written, but it's very difficult to understand that lines. Okay, so if you can see in some places and they have written some language, they applied some type of different languages. Okay, so it's very difficult to read. Okay, so archaeologists also, it's very difficult to read this. Okay, ma. So, but our ancestors did not live in such a safe environment. There might have been changes of wild animals entering their caves, but they realized that dog could have helped them to prevent the entry of such dangerous animals by its sniffing skills. Hence, they started domesticating dogs for their protection and hunting activities. Okay, so it is our ancestors. Very difficultly they lived, isn't it? Where they live in the forest, isn't it? So animals, what they will do? They will kill the, what they will do, ma'am? They will hunt they will kill the people, isn't it? Isn't it, students? It is not safe, isn't it? Not safe. Then sometimes they enter inside the cave side also. So nowadays we are settled in safe house, isn't it? So our ancestors, it is not like that. So later the dog they domesticated. Okay, dog, your pet animals, isn't it? So all the houses dogs will be there, isn't it, pa? So dogs, what they will do? It is very friendly with us, isn't it? What always be friendly, it is, isn't it? Some dogs, what they will do? It will bite, isn't it? Anyway. So, but the man understood, our ancestors, what they did? They domesticated first dog only they domesticated. Okay, okay, ma. So the dog have the sniffing skill. Nowadays, varieties of dogs will be there, isn't it? German Shepherd, Doberman, it will be, isn't it? So this dogs and the Dalmatian also, it's a good variety dog, it is, isn't it? They have a sniffing skill. Okay, so with the help of that, we will guess some animal is entering inside the house. Sometimes the snake is entering inside also, it will fight with that, isn't it? So some dog, it will be like that only. So the man understood that, our ancestors. So they domesticated the dog also. Okay, so hence they started domesticating dogs for their protection and hunting activities also. For hunting activity purpose also, they used these dogs. So from this, we also know how inscriptions, monuments, copper plates. Okay, we come to know what inscriptions, monuments, copper plates, accounts of foreigners or foreign travelers and folk tales play a vital role in constructing and reconstructing history. Okay, so many materials will be there, isn't it? What materials are there? Monuments, copper plates, accounts of foreigners. Okay, foreigners will write some books, isn't it? We come to know the previous events, isn't it? History. So this and all, it is constructing and reconstructing the history. So Tamil, now I completely understand what history is, Amma. Thank you, Amma. Okay, the conversation is ended. Okay, ma? Could understand? Did you like this lesson? Everyone is interested, isn't it? Isn't it, pa? So I have completed this lesson. So already you learned history, question answer, 1 to 5, isn't it? Okay, then remaining 3 questions will be the today study portion it is. Okay, then book back exercise also I will started to give revision. Okay, ma'am. So name some tools used by early man to hunt animals. Weapons made of stones, bones, horns of animals, weapons made of branches of trees. Okay, ma'am. Name some tools used by early man to hunt animals. Weapons made of stones, bones, horns of animals, weapons made of branches of trees. Okay. Why were paintings drawn on rock? Why were paintings drawn on rock? They wish to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Okay. They wish to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Paintings is a part of their pastime. Okay, passing the time. Then name any 2 artifacts. Okay, name any 2 artifacts. Okay, toys and ornaments. Toys and ornaments. In ancient period, the people used such a types of toys. Okay, bullock carts it is. Okay, then what ornaments also. So in the back of this type of stone has given. So see the shape. Then see, animal is entering inside the caves. This is caves, isn't it? A man has settled in this place also. The animal, if there is an animal, no, a tiger will come and kill the animal, kill the people, isn't it? For safety purpose, what? First they domesticated the dog. Could you understand? Yes. Everyone understood this lesson. I am believing this. So you study this question answer also. Okay, ma'am? Then book exercises. Choose the correct answer. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Hunting. What was the step taken by the early man to collect his food? Hunting. Okay, match the statement with the reason, tick the appropriate answer. Statement, reason has given. Okay, statement means, the prehistoric man went along with the dog for hunting. Reason, dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. So statement and reasons are correct. Okay, statement and reasons are correct. The next statement, what? Museum is the correct answer. The objects used by the early man are excavated. They are preserved to know the lifestyle of the people. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. Museum is the correct answer. Then find out the wrong pair. Okay, you have to find out the wrong pair. Cats. First domesticated. It is correct. Wrong, isn't it? It is wrong, isn't it? So this only you have to circle it. Okay, so dog only first domesticated, right? Then find the odd one. D. Option D is the correct answer. The paintings were painted by using many colors. Using many colors are? No, not applied any color, isn't it? Later only they applied the color. Okay. Then fill in the blanks. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. Okay, the old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. Dash, the father of history. Herodotus is the father of history. Dash was the first animal termed by old Stone Age man. Dog. Okay, dog was the first animal termed by old Stone Age man. Inscriptions are dash sources. Archaeological sources. Inscriptions are archaeological sources. Okay, ma'am. Ashoka Chakra has 24 spokes. Okay. Then state true or false. Stone tools belonging to old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirampakam near Chennai. True. The materials used by the ancient people are preserved in the museum by the archaeological department. True. During the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. True. Then match the following rock paintings to understand the lifestyle. Written records, copper plates. Ashoka, the most famous king. Religious literature, Devaram. Okay. Answer grid. Early men scribbled and painted on me. Today, they used me to build houses and lay roads. Who am I? Rock is the correct answer. Expanded. BC means what? Before Common Era. Dash is the study of inscription. Epigraphy. Name any two archaeological sources. Coins, inscriptions. So what is the meaning of the Greek word historia? Learning by inquiry. Dash is the study of coins, numismatics. Okay. Name the types of literary sources. Secular literature, religious literature. Expand, common era. Expanded. AD means what? AD. C. AD means Anno Domini. Inside the bracket C is there. Okay. That expanded what? Common era. Can help you to talk, see, hear, write and read. There is no world without me. Who am I? Mobile phone. Okay ma? This is your book back exercises. So I will send this notes later. Okay? Okay ma? So I will send. Okay students? I will send this notes through WhatsApp. Okay ma? After getting the social book, you should copy this exercises. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay, will you ask to me? Okay, in the Zoom meet or whatever, we will discuss this. Okay, we will study this also. Dash is the study of inscriptions. Epigraphy. Okay, epigraphy. Dash is the study of inscription. Epigraphy. Okay, dash is the study of coins. Numismatics. Okay, numismatics. Then expand AD. Anno Domini. B, C, inside the bracket C is there. Everyone know Anno Domini, isn't it? C only we don't know, isn't it? Common era. Okay. Name any two archaeological sources. Coins, inscriptions. Okay. So the old Stone Age man lived mostly in dash. Caves. Okay. The old Stone Age man lived mostly in caves. Okay. Dash, the father of history. Herodotus is the father of history. Dash, the father of history. Herodotus is the father of history. Dash was the first animal termed by old Stone Age man. Dog. Okay, dog was the first animal termed by old Stone Age man. Inscriptions are archaeological sources. Ashoka Chakra has dash spokes. 24 spokes. Will you study this Phillips also? Okay, I am not going to disturb you. First you learn the question answer. Okay, this exercises next class we are going to study. Okay, will you follow this? Some students are very interested. They will learn this, isn't it? They will study. They are very interested to study this exercises also. So that students study. I am not going to disturb you. Other students little by little we will study. Okay, first you learn question answer 1 to 8. Okay, study that questions thoroughly. After that, part by part I will give. Okay, ma? So map of exercises also will be there. Okay, map the following places in the political map of India. Okay, Delhi, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, Karnataka will be there. Okay, map exercise. Map exercise. Now you have map. Some students have map, I think. So okay, I'm not going to explain this. So later we will decide. Okay. So later we will buy this map and one by one the places I will inform to you. Then I will give revision also. Okay, pa? Okay. So study this question answer. Okay. So name some tools used by early man to hunt animals. What and all? Weapons made of stones, bones, horns of animals, weapons made of branches of trees. Okay. Will you study this 4 point will be there, isn't it? Name some tools used by early man to hunt animals. Weapons made of stones, bones, horns of animals, weapons made of branches of trees. Why were paintings drawn on rocks? Why were paintings drawn on rocks? They wish to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Painting is a part of their pastime. Okay. They wish to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Paintings is a part of their pastime. Okay, name any two anti-artifacts. What and all? Toys, ornaments. Toys, ornaments. Will you study this question, ma? Question answer 1 to 8. Will you study thoroughly? After that, book exercises. I will give revision. Okay? Okay, will you follow this? Next class, I will continue the next. I am going to start the geography lesson. Okay, ma? Okay, be ready. Okay, stay home. Be safe also. Thank you, students.